So on the way out I came across this icon of human decency. Anyone after a new fridge? Looks pretty good. 4-star energy rating. I've been known to pick up rubbish in the past, but this is a bit outside my means today. I wonder if you graduate to this sort of thing. You know, you're throwing Coke bottles out the car window for a number of years before you graduate to, I don't know, something a bit bigger. What's bigger than that? You throw out your slab box from your carton of beer, that goes out the window, and eventually at some point you get bored of that and you start thinking, what else could I do? So then all of a sudden you're chucking microwaves out the side of the car, and you know, we're talking about the absolute peak individuals here, peak performance, that have, you know, they've done enough microwaves, they've earned their stripes, you know, they've probably gone a few washing machines, and now they're finally at the fridge. So yeah, I mean, it really is a thing of beauty. I can't help but marvel at it. I mean, it's got to be better than their garage rider at the tip. That'd just be stupid, wouldn't it? A couple of bullet holes in the side, bargain. They couldn't even cut the cord off. Like the bare minimum decency, so that someone doesn't come and electrocute themselves, would be to cut the cord off. Cutting the cord would be like showing that you're still a human, but not cutting the cord, not sure. Frankly, I'm too scared to open it because I'm scared there's a dead body inside. So on that note, I'll see you soon. Cracked.